Hey guys, in this video we're going to look at ZSAN for March the 8th. Not really going to look at Market Watch because we know ZSAN has been making crazy moves lately. It's just been a stock that's been in play. And nice moves, very volatile, but there's definitely opportunity to make a buck here. But let's take a look at the levels. Alright, so let me get this chart here. Okay, so March the 8th. It opened at what is it? 1365, and I don't remember because I've been watching it. I don't remember if it immediately went up and then it dropped down or what it did. But first 5 minute candle closed red with a low of um, what is it? 1257. So from 1257 to 1511. I mean, wow, that's you know. Actually, no, never mind. Not 1511. 1510. Oh, same thing. Um, So yeah, it tells you a little bit about the huge, crazy moves that ZSAN has been able to make. I mean, just in this candle, there were plenty of opportunities to make money. Pops up, pops down, up, goes up. I mean, it's just been crazy, and I think I've traded once, and I don't think I did very well because it's really hard to have tight stops with this kind of stock. You know, it can go down 40 cents, and then it can go up 80, and then go down a whole dollar. It's just not the type of stock that I'm skilled enough to trade just yet. But let's take a look at the breakout move here. So we have this red candle, then we have this doji candle, and then we have the breakout candle. So from a low of 1357 or so up to 1651. So we see that this happened on high volume, I mean 274,000 higher volume than the previous two candles, and then we have this pullback candle. So since this pullback candle had a higher high than the previous breakout candle, it definitely tells me that a lot of people wanted it to keep going up. They thought it was the momentum's going to keep going, and there were definitely a lot of sellers. But right around the same time, a lot of the people who got in somewhere here, here, or here, and already had a nice, I don't know, $1, $2 profit per share, thought, okay, maybe it's time to sell. So what ended up happening is that it did get to a new high, but it ended up being a red candle, making it the first pullback candle with a low of 1562 or 1560. Next candle, green candle. So it opens at around the same level where it closed, and it got up to the breakout point, which is a high of the previous candle of 1651, and from there it ran a few up to 1740. So that's a nice almost $1 move from the breakout spot. Obviously, it started from here, but if we look at just that breakout spots, it was nearly a dollar, and it happened on higher volume. So this is just textbook, beautiful, picture perfect bull flag. From here, we see that pulled back, consolidated, tapped the 9 EMA, got back up here. Um, didn't quite make it to a new breakout. I mean, I guess you could say it did. 1669 high of the previous candle, breakout spot, all the way up to 1698. But relative to the big moves that it made, it was not as big. But you could have made a buck there as long as you were being cautious and took your profits. From here, we can see that it just wrote the 9 EMA up to high a day. And here, boom, broke up to 20, nearly, yeah, a little over $20, which is fantastic. Man, I can't wait for the day that I'm able to trade these stocks. And here, here we can see that a consolidation, then it gets up to the high, pops back up. Man, this is just beautiful. Look at this. So we have a low of 1264 all the way up to 25. This stock went up more than 100% on March the 8th. That is just amazing. That is just beautiful. But anyway, Great stock to trade if you have the pockets and you have the discipline and you have the skills to do it. That's it for ZSAN. If you have any questions, let me know. And as always, also suggestions, leave in the comments section, and we'll see you in the next stock. See you guys.